As many of you know, we're always trialing and testing these different methods for making money online and from home. And in today's really short video, I'm going to share something with you which is not only epic, but I'll also share the results with you because I've literally done nothing to earn this money. So let me jump in the laptop really quickly now and I'll show you this. Okay, so this is my website. It's called Not Taught at School, and on here we look at things like earning online, side hustles, we've got affiliate marketing, YouTube, we've got free courses and lots more. And we also share lots of articles about, tried and tested ways of making money online. Well, recently we have started with this over here, and you can see it, hopefully, yeah, you can see this. So you can see down here, the 2nd of May. So you see over here where it says trades and lots, and then look at the money over here. So we have, let me take it back a bit. $35 on this day, $150 on this day, $149 here, $150 here, $154 on this day, and today we're up to $123. And the crazy thing is, I've literally done nothing for this, and I'm sure you're skeptical, thinking, it sounds ridiculous. I don't blame you. But if you come over to my YouTube channel, it's the same name as my website. It's called Not Taught at School. If you look for this video over here, you'll see this called Project Limitless Review. I share with you everything inside of this video, exactly how I'm able to earn all of this money completely on hands-free.